How can you tell if someone's a sociopath?
Action.
ABC Family takes you on the set for an exclusive first look at this summer's mind-bending new drama.
I can't believe he came back here.
At 11 years old, Danny was convicted of murdering his aunt while his two best friends were playing in the backyard. They build this almost a monster in their mind, and then in walks a teenage kid. Boo. I'm sorry. I was just joking. How are you guys?
He's coming back in high school and he's trying to reconnect with his friends.
I'm still the same boy you grew up with. You know me better than anyone.
The boy I grew up with wouldn't have hurt a fly.
I never meant to hurt you and Joe.
You mentored someone.
Danny Desai, I hear that your nickname on the Twitter is the Socio.
Socio.
Okay. I feel like I'm in an episode of Glee and everyone's about to break out in a song.
They let you watch Glee in prison.
It's part of our punishment. It really becomes like a second chance for Danny, Joe, and Lacey. Somehow I still thought you'd be the one person to give me half a chance.
Danny, wait. He gets her because they're both kind of quiet and they're both kind of weird.
After that crazy class, I'm assuming pretty much everyone I see is a sociopath.
I definitely think that there's a special connection between Lacey and Danny.
I regret not growing up with you and Joe.
I thought the past was in the past.
If he's not that monster, then maybe people change.
Oh, yeah, hi, I'm Rico. I'm extraordinarily uncomfortable right now.
Me and you both, Rico.
Yeah.
You can be judged on your past rather than the person you're trying to be.
I don't care how it looks. I know you are not guilty.
I need you to trust me.